Using the kit, inside the big clock. Select and cut the subject from its original background, click on it and drag it to the new digital background. Adjust the size without losing proportions. Now you need to adjust the intensity of the light and the color. The model in the example has a lot of light. We are going to decrease the intensity of the highlights and whites in the camera raw filter. At the same time, we are going to make the tone a little warmer. If you still need to adjust the light further, add a levels adjustment layer. Don't forget to use the clipping mask feature so that this layer affects only the model by clicking on the corresponding button within the panel. If you think your model needs it, apply the sharpen filter. You can beautify the result more if you apply the dodge and burn technique to highlight the light in some areas and darken others. You can do it in the following way. Create a new layer and fill it with 50% gray. Next, change the layer's blending mode to overlay. Use Photoshop's dodge and burn tools by selecting an exposure of approximately 30% or 40%. If you want a more subtle effect and more control over it, lower the exposure. To ensure that you are not applying the effect outside the contours of the model, select it. Place the cursor on the layer where the model is located, and pressing the Ctrl key, click there. In this way you will have the selection made. Then go to the gray layer to continue the dodge and burn work. Now you can place the clock overlay. If you've already done it, make it visible. Add adjustment layers to adjust the lighting and color of the result to your liking. You can also add other effects, such as color strokes or vignette. To give your work an artistic touch, you can add more adjustment layers achieving different effects, or use filters or artistic Photoshop actions. May your work be magical and creative. Thanks for watching.